Sa NBA action, matapos ang masakit na pagkatalo sa Game 2, puspusan ng paghahanda ng Indiana Pacers para sa Game 3 ng NBA Finals laban sa Oklahoma City Thunder. Naniniwalang Eastern Conference champion na marami sa kanilang mga problema ang malulutas kung magagawa nilang makapag-adjust sa matibay na depensa ng OKC. Pero ano naman kaya ito? Yan ang ulat ni teammate Rafael Bandayrel.
Tila nawalan ng ritmo ang Indiana Pacers sa Game 2 ng NBA Finals at hindi nakaporma. Kaya ibinaon sila ng Oklahoma City Thunder sa 123-107 na pagkakatambak. Pinangunahan ni Shai Gilgeous-Alexander ang Thunder sa kanyang 34 points habang nahirapan naman si Tyrese Haliburton na makahanap ng butas sa depensa ng OKC. Naniniwala ang Pacers na sa lahat ng kailangan nilang ayusin, iisa ang para sa kanila ay pinakamahalaga at dapat unahin. Yan ay umatake sa loob upang mapanalunan ang labanan sa shaded area.
They were the best in the league during the year at keeping people out of there, and so they're great at it. We've got to find ways to get the ball in there.
Sa unang dalawang laro, hindi pa nananalo ang Indiana pagdating sa bakbakang ito. 34-46 noong Game 1 at 34-42 naman noong Game 2. Paliwanag ni Haliburton, hindi makaporma ang kanilang opensa dahil hindi umiikot ng maayos ang bola. Umaasa ang 25-year-old floor general na masosolusyonan ang problemang ito kung mas magiging agresibo sila sa pagsikwat ng points in the paint.
I think we should do a better job getting to the paint. You know, it's a lot easier said than done, but you know, I feel like in the first half we were just moving the ball on the outside, and I don't think we had a single point in the paint in the first quarter, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, our offense is built from the inside out. We got to do a better job getting downhill. You know, they collapse and then make plays from there.
Drive, back, jump shot.
Sa kabila naman ng masalimuot na Game 2 loss, tabla pa rin ang serye 1-all papunta sa home court ng Indiana. Para kay Pascal Siakam, dapat samantalahin ng Pacers ang pagkakataong ito.
That's the biggest game of the year. We just got to go out there, go back home. Our fans, obviously, I know they're super excited to have us, and we're excited to be back, you know, in our home arena with our home fans, and just ready to compete, play hard, and yeah. So that's our focus. You know, we gotta, as hard as this one is, we just gotta move on to the next.
Anytime you're the lower seed in a playoff series, you know, your job is to go split or go try to get one on the road. We got game one. You know, felt like we really let the rope slip, you know, there in the second quarter. You know, so I think you can. There's many different ways that you can choose to digest, you know, what's in front of you.
Makakabawi kaya ang Pacers o tuluyang mangingibabaw ang Thunder? Malalaman natin ang kasagutan sa pagpapatuloy ng NBA Finals bukas alas 8:30 ng umaga, oras sa Pilipinas. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.